Do you have diabetes, or know anyone who does? Did you know that you may have diabetes or develop this disease without even knowing? In today's video, you will learn some signs from your body that may indicate you have diabetes. Did you know that diabetes, especially type 2, is a silent disease? According to statistics from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 30 million people in the USA have diabetes. And the worst part of it is 25% of them have no idea they are diabetic. And the scary numbers don't stop there. 84 million Americans have pre-diabetes. That is when the blood sugar levels are high, but still not high enough to be diagnosed as diabetes. And 90% of these people don't know anything about these data. Some of the symptoms are very subtle and take a long time to manifest themselves. However, some signs from the body may indicate that one has diabetes. See which signs your body might be giving. Frequent urination, dry mouth, increased thirst, and bad breath. One of the first signs that someone may have diabetes is frequent urination. It happens because, besides having a constant feeling of dry mouth and drinking a lot of water, diabetic people also have a lot of sugar in their blood which isn't properly absorbed by the body and needs to be constantly eliminated. We can also mention bad breath as one of the symptoms that may indicate diabetes. Especially keto breath, which makes your breath smell like nail polish. Even with adequate brushing and flossing, the bad breath remains. Tingling and numbing sensations, aching feet and hands. Some people with diabetes may present diabetic peripheral neuropathy, a condition that causes cold hands and feet, besides aching, numbness, and a tingling sensation. It means that you may have lesions on your nerves, caused by oxygen being unable to reach the nerve cells. It causes a loss in sensitivity of the members and hinders the healing process. Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have much more healthy content. Where this came from. Increased hunger. Being hungry all the time, or having an increased hunger, may also be signs of diabetes. Since the body can't transport the sugar from food to the cells and ends up being eliminated by urine, the body continues asking for more foods. Because of that, you will have a constant sensation of hunger. Even though it is more common when there is hyperglycemia, excessive hunger may also occur in cases of hypoglycemia, when there is a sudden drop in glucose levels in the blood. In this case, the body needs food to replenish the sugar and generate the energy necessary to keep working. Weight loss. Did you have a sudden drop in weight, even without dieting? It may be a sign of diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, it is common to have a loss of weight, even with adequate eating. It happens because glucose isn't consumed by the body, and gets eliminated through urine, as we explained earlier in the video. People with type 2 diabetes don't lose weight in the same way since there is still a little bit of insulin production. A part of the glucose gets turned into stored fat, and the other portion, which isn't used by the body, gets eliminated. Extreme fatigue. Tiredness is another sign that shows at the beginning of the disease. Since the diabetic patient can't transform sugars into energy, glucose can't reach the cells. The body doesn't receive the energy it needs and gets tired. Blurry vision and dry eyes. Blurry vision can be another sign of diabetes, and one that many people neglect. It happens because the excess glucose in the blood can swell the crystalline which is found in the eye's lens, reducing its capacity of focusing. It can also hinder tear production, which can cause dry eyes. If that's the issue you're suffering from, speak to an ophthalmologist as well as your doctor, to investigate the potential for diabetes. Those are some of the most common signs that someone might have diabetes without knowing. It's important to know that these symptoms alone or combined together, may also be signs of other ailments. If you have any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical help and do the blood test necessary to measure your glycemic index and start the necessary treatment. Besides making changes in your diet and lifestyle, people with diabetes or anyone at risk of developing it, should also be exercising to gain better results while treating the disease. Listen to your body and take care of your health. After all, health is wealth. Try out these methods and let us know, did they work for you? Or maybe someone you know? Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.